Just about everyone I meet who's tried the law of attraction wants to manifest abundance and prosperity. Yet almost always they're met with frustration and failure, just like I was. I spent nearly 3 decades experimenting and testing the law of attraction to its limits, sometimes almost to my limits. I was trained in metaphysics and how to teach it by a wonderful English lady, the late Jill Edwards, who totally lived by the magic of the law of attraction and actually called her first book and later her entire business Living Magically. Sadly, Jill is no longer here, but Living Magically still exists in the beautiful Lake District of England, where Jill spent her final years. After many, many failed attempts at manifesting, I finally realised that we are overcomplicating and overthinking how the law of attraction works. I finally boiled it down to 2 simple steps that make manifesting abundance close to inevitable time after time. There are no more complex techniques. You never have to feel guilty again in case you attracted some misfortune if things don't work out as you'd hoped. And you'll never have to wonder whether we can influence or create reality at all. What I've come up with is a crystal clear process that's so simple it requires no learning because we already know how to do it. It's almost as simple as breathing. No one has to tell you to breathe out after you breathe in, do they? I've put the process and the reasons why it works in this short book, 2 Easy Steps to Manifest Abundance, which is available on Amazon Kindle now. And if you're a Kindle Unlimited member, you can read it for free. So I just wanted to shoot this quick video to let you know it's there. There's a link in the description below. I just have one quick favour to ask if you do read it. Please just drop into Amazon and leave a review. It would mean the world to me, and it helps other readers know what to expect. It's a short read that can literally transform your life in under half an hour. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoy it.